This nigga sample.
Rich Slime Global Pussy.
Okay, the hardest. Yeah. I swear to God.
Rich Slime. Damn. I'm on game with rolling pepper gang. Bitchy in my spot. I got hoes they claiming 50 gang. 30 up in ice on nigga. I ain't go to Johnny Dang. How the fuck he rich line, but that nigga not up in the game. Ayy. Running up them paper planes. I can't fuck with none of these rap ass niggas. They be acting strange. Niggas know about Heffin', know about Don, they know I'm having stain. Wigger on the chopper. When I hit, you know I make it bang. Brother just got popped. He ain't claiming. Man, that shit is shame. Put him on.
Listen to Glock's new song. Which one? Which one? He dropped? Say you swear to God he dropped. What the hell? I'm trying to get to chat. Hold on.
And put that nigga on the chain. Just send him on a mission. I can't do that cause I know he lame. They praying on my downfall. Oh my God, they praying on my name.
Sipping on drink. Every step is good, step is playing that game. Everyone's a winner, but we is not the same. Pull up with that chopper and I'm swinging that thing.
Yo, this is part of the this is the cash era of Osamason. So I'm not gonna lie, Slimesito he's a good artist for scouting niggas when they was young. Like, you know, like he scout niggas while they're young, and he know who gonna be big and who's not. That's one thing I do know about Slime. He know who's gonna be big and who's not. You know. So to hear this is cash. This is the cash era of Osamason. So that means that niggas was already like this probably back in like 2023. It sounds like some at least probably late 2022, early 2023. It's crazy.
Good stuff is playing that game. Everyone's a winner, but we is not the same. Pull up with that chopper and I'm swinging that thing. Pulling up straight for 4 days. I feel really play, track that shit up in 4 ways. I was telling homie, we can't go, 4 ways. SRT, yo, we got no brakes. Even me and Slime, 4 choppers, just 2 snakes.
You just say this sounds like, bro. Wait, this might be old. Is this old Osama? Is this old Osama?
Even me and Slime, 4 choppers, just 2 snakes. Hold up, yo. On the bench, that's why I said, this is whole field.
I'm not gonna lie. That sound like that. The beginning it sounded like old Osama son. Now it just sound like. Now it sound like new Osama son. I'm not gonna lie. You right. Yeah, this sound like. Yeah. Yeah, you right. Maybe I don't know.
Why so you can't tell me to that time. It's just a blessing. It's just a pocket. Look, oh, dick, got the rocket in his pocket. Bitch, I been locked in. I don't need feel like talking. Fit out the ocean, the nigga still walking. Sting, they gon' push it in a coffin. New jeans, a new lean, you can tell. That's ballin'. Beans on beans, it's kicked, then I'm off it. I don't know how you got it, the swag that I taught him. Pass me the rock, I'm a fucking crash car soon. Going 8 y'all with the rock.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. The jump out flow is not it, bro. And like it's not something we can listen to forever, bro. He did drop. He right. All right, we gonna listen to that after that. I know it's your last summary, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like this is not. That jump out flow is just like it's not something we could listen to for years to come. It's like we gonna flow with it now. Then after like a few months, we just gonna be like, just another song. I'm not gonna lie, but the flex music era, like that's right. Niggas gonna be listening to that. You said you fuck with it heavy. That's because you have horrible music taste, nigga. Life Ain't Fair by Glock. Probably top 5 of his new songs. We gonna see. But this song was I low-key didn't like the mixing all the way. Nigga react to Osamason. Nigga, this is a new song. This shit dookie. It's alright.
Yo, I just got a brand new state. They go play on a brand new feed. Yeah, Fang got a brand new key. Take a hit for the game. Hey, okay, and we take off when choppers go wrong. They be quiet when we walk in the room. Yeah, we put bodies in pits and we spit on this tune. Play, play. When I pull out the shop on the road and a bad bag. Yeah, we went up and signed on this bar in the scat.